Hi, I'm Jun. Let's take a little step together.
The morning light shines on my floor, toys and books from wall to door. My teddy's here, my blocks are too. So many things I need to do. I look around, I softly say, I'll clean my room a little today. One small step is where I start. I can try with a steady heart. I pick things up, then drop a few. Where do all these pieces go? My hands feel tired, my head feels full, and I start to move too slow. I don't want to, I start to say, this is hard, I sigh out loud. Everything feels messy still, and my thoughts get all crowded. I stop right here, I take a breath in slow and quiet through my nose. I breathe it out, soft and gentle like a feather as it goes. In and out, my body's calm, my shoulders feel so light. I can try one thing again, and it might feel just right. I put one toy back on the shelf, then I go and grab one more. Little by little, step by step, my room feels calm once more. I can try when things feel big, I can pause and breathe. One small step is enough for me, that's all I need. One small thing, then one more too. Today I cleaned my room.
I did it, one little step at a time. What is one little step you can try today? We can try it together.